Everybody loves a good brownie, but have you tried white chocolate ones? Here's how we made them. Start by melting your butter in a pot. Once it's melted, add in your sugar, a pinch of salt, and vanilla extract. Whisk everything together, and once the sugar is melted, remove it from the heat. Let it cool down a little and then add in your 4 eggs. Now you can transfer your mixture to a bowl. Add in your baking powder, baking soda, and flour, which we recommend adding gradually to avoid lumps. Once everything is mixed well together, add in your chopped roasted walnuts. Follow that with white chocolate chips, and mix everything together. Now pour your batter into your lined baking tray and spread it out evenly. Now into the oven they go for 40 to 45 minutes at 350 degrees. If you poke a skewer into it, no wet batter should stick to it. While those are baking, you can work on a decorative glaze. Start melting white chocolate chips in a double boiler and add in a bit of heavy cream. Finally, melt in some butter. Once your brownies are done and have cooled off, you can make them look more professional by cutting off the edges. Finish them off by decorating them with your white chocolate sauce. Don't forget to subscribe to Dish for more daily cooking videos.